festival in the world? First, the Tomatina is the biggest tomato fight in the world, and a lot of people think this is a waste of food, but the tomatoes that use it here, they harvest only for this festival, and isn't for consuming, for human consuming. The Burning Man is celebrating Nevada and is the most extravagant festival in United States. And it's a festival where are a lot of activities. A lot of artists meet here and do it, a lot of things. The San Fermin party or the Pamplonada. It's a festival in Spain, and a lot of people think it's only about boats and isn't, because there are a lot of festivals or exposition of art well, includes all people, all population, all people of Spain. In personal, I don't know it. And the Holi festival, it's in India, and it's the most colorful festival. It's about the Renaissance souls, and it's about Unforgotten, Forgiven, and I think is something very beautiful, and it's all.